want her you get on my nerves. What's up, gang? It's your girl DiamondReeise, and I'm back with another video. Oh, so we are back with another video today. Today we are gonna be making mini ombre cakes today. So you're gonna be seeing me make it from scratch, kinda out of the bag. The Ratchet way, because we don't know how to make it from scratch. We're gonna get it popping today. And we got a special guest that's gonna come through and cook with us today. Here she comes! Hey guys! And we back with another video! You ready for this video? Look now, I ain't made a cake since Aaron's birthday, so we want to see how it's gonna go smooth. We're gonna learn how to cook. Learn? Wait. Okay, we're gonna learn how to cook today, y'all. So we're gonna get into this video. Just stay tuned. And remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video. You already know what it is. It's your girl DiamondReeise, and also my sister's in the game. Sister in the game. Hey, sister in the game. What? Sister in the game. Hey, sister in the game. For the video game. For the video game. Eat it. So what we got today? So what we got today is the strawberry cake, which is one of my favorites, for real, no cap. And then we got the red velvet. Yo, you make this right, this come out right. This thing gonna be the bomb, okay? Period. This the little classic cake. Cause you know, you got kids, they be picky about cakes and stuff, so you know what I'm saying, this gonna go to them, cause you know, you never know what kids. Period. And then this is, you know, the decoration thing, you know. So this is what this is. And then we got some color dye. What color y'all think we about to make these cakes? And the frostings. Can you guess? And then, you know, I ain't gonna hold these up. Then we got the pans. They already buttered, getting ready to get toasted and put in the oven. We already got the oven set to 350. We already got our 6 eggs over here, you know, scrambled and stuff. Then we got our bowls to get ready to, you know, mix it together. I think that's all. Let's get ready to go into this video. Gang.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put all your mix inside your bowls and then start mixing them.
So now I'm about to put some yellow dye inside one of the cakes.
You better whip it. Whip it, girl, whip it. Whip it, girl, whip it. Whip it, whip it, girl, whip it. Hey.
So we really didn't measure this cake at all. So we have a mustard yellow. I love mustard. And then we have the red velvet. This is real dark. I like this one. This one is like the best density ever. Like, this is like perfect. And then we also have a cherry color. And then we have a strawberry cake. The strawberry. Ooh. Ooh, that's so nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this cake, we're gonna just do it our way, then the highway. Put some more water in there real quick. But we're gonna do it our way because we only got 2 pots. So we're gonna do it our way and you're gonna see how we do it. Okay? So just stay tuned.
And so now we're putting the cake mix inside the pot. And as you see, we only got like 2 pots. And so we're gonna make this work. The pans are full. Now we're gonna put them right in the oven. The oven is set to 350. Now we're gonna put the cakes in. Ooh, it's hot in there, girl. Don't burn your weave. See y'all later. These are the 2 cakes that came out of the pan. They actually came out looking funny, but my sister liked them. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take these little tiny cakes and make them into little tiny mini cakes. Just stay tuned. These are my 2. Yellow, red, and pink on the bottom. And she's picking out hers.
I think I'm gonna do this. No, I got too much going on.
Now we're gonna start decorating their little mini cakes. This is actually like a little contest that we came up with, and we're gonna see who comes out with the cutest or ugliest cake. So just enjoy our little contest, and you tell me who cake came out nice. Was it me or my sisters?
So, stop guys, stop. Yeah, stop. Okay, so this is cake number 1. That's cake number 1. You know, that's that cake. That's the first one, the first do of it. And then this is the second, you know, thing of it.
That's nice. I like that.
I do like the colors together and stuff. It looks better on camera than it does in real life. That's the part 2 of that cake. And then cake number 2. First cake is the second cake on this side. It's going to be the second cake that was made. So that's that cake. That's the second one of the first of the round that went back around. This one with the pearlies and stuff on it, that's the first cake of the first round of the cakey dates. You know, that's that. So if you like Team Nay, that's that cake. That's cake number 1. So remember, you have to pick only one. You can't like one cake and not like the other cake. You have to like all the cakes together. Okay? Gotta keep repeating that. Alright? So, cake number 2 is Diamond's cake. A diamond. So if y'all say my K1, I'ma automatically feel like you're lying because her first cake was bomb. So yeah, so these are our cakes. So you guys comment and let us know. 1, whose cake won? 2, whose cake was hideous? 3, if you want more to be in more videos.
How you feeling after all that cooking?
So it was fun. It was fun. It was very fun and entertaining. However, cooking, my thing. Decorating, not my thing. But it was fun. It was fun. And the cake was moist. So, you know, this is just funny.
It was funny and it was fun.
It
I
was
liked
fun.
it.
It was very, very fun.
good
And it was like, during the whole thing, you're going to see that I had so much fun doing this and decorating it. And it was great. It was fun. Next time we need better tools to level it out. And, you know,
To measure.
you know, because we didn't measure at all. Okay, so y'all don't
We
come
didn't
on
wait till it
these
got
cakes.
cold. or
Okay,
nothing.
like don't come on how they lopsided. Don't come at us with none of that with these cakes. Cause let me tell you,
Before we get into the cakes, they need to
make sure y'all subscribe to DiamondReeise, like all that good stuff. You know, if you want to see me more, I'll be around somewhere.
or comment below if you like when she do videos with me.
You know, she might help me get my own channel. She might be on my channel, and we both be popping.
Period.
Oh.